hope you're doing well. As you know, we announced a new batch for 2023. Um, like we expected maximum 100 students, but we got response from 112 students. Okay, it's a huge response. Um, I'm very happy about this, and now I'm going to explain the plan for this batch. Okay, already I provided all the information to many of the students, but if anyone don't know about this plan, it's better to watch this video and be prepared in that way. Okay, so welcome to all who are joining this 2023 batch. So complete year we are going to dedicate to this batch. Okay, and we are going to start the trainings from Feb 4th. Like it's only 1 week time is there for us. Previously, we announced that January 19th, but many students have examinations in January. Um, Based on that information, we just postponed to the February 4th. Okay. Yeah, and next, the first 2 months, what we are going to learn is and the timings also. This is very important. Please note down the Saturday and Sunday because February 4th is a Saturday, so that's why I just starting with the Saturday. Saturday and Sunday, every Saturday and Sunday in the morning 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. We are going to learn C language, and trainer is Ramesh, and it's for minimum 2 months. Maybe it will take another few days extra based on students' response, how they are doing practice, how they are learning. If they learn quickly, it's a 2 months. If if students need more time, we can go for 3 months. And the same time, Monday to Thursday, that means February 6th. So 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. We are going to learn HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap, and at the same time some tools like GitHub, of Figma and Jira. Okay, this is going to be provided training by Akshay Mane. This is also for 2 months, and here every Friday we don't have a session because it's not that good to provide training every day. So at least you should have a break at least one day. Since you are attending training on Saturday, Sunday, that is mandatory. So that's why we plan that okay, it's better to give 1 day break so that at least you can revise or you can plan something on your own. So this is for first 2 months, and every day from Monday to Thursday after you have attended this training by actually Mane, and this Varun Agarwal will be available for us, so that this is a practice session. So um, it, when you are learning a programming language or anything, if you don't do practice, there is no use. Okay, even if you attend 100 sessions, if you don't do practice, the result will be zero. So this time, actually this time we are because if I say that students please do practice out of 100 students, a maximum only 15 to 20 students are doing practice on their own. I don't know that maybe we are habituated to the entertainment world. It's not that much easy to uh, s- mm, come into this programming world. So that's why we are start this year, at least this from this batch, we are conducting a practice session so that everyone should attend that practice session, and you should complete the practice and you should send a screenshot. Okay, we will plan. Um, let's see how it will uh, go in a right direction. So this is like the plan. Saturday, Sunday, 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. C language for 2 months at the same time. Monday to Thursday, 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. All the fundamentals like HTML3, CSS, HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap, and one or two projects also with these technologies. Okay, this is for first 2 months, and after completing first 2 months, we will conduct some like exams. Okay, okay, it's not like real exams, like because we will try to interact with each and every student, and we will see how many sessions you have attended and how many sessions you have done a practice, how much you have learned. Okay, and we will check whether you're really interested to learn or not. So based on all these factors, then we will decide that, because out of 112 students, how many and we will cross check, and once you done a practice, then only you will get a chance to attend the next 3 months of training. Okay, that is very very important. So normally people, if you don't do a practice, if you are not learning properly, of course if you didn't understand at any point of time, we can you can reach out us, and definitely we will provide another again explanation or any other solution for you. But if you are not learning properly, if we realize that you are not interested to learn, or you're not attending the sessions properly, or you're not doing practice properly, it's a waste of time for you also to join the sessions, because instead of attending the sessions, you can at least play some sports. You will be very healthy. So if you are not interested to practice, please don't join. And even if you don't do practice, definitely we are not going to provide others chance to attend the next 3 months of training. So I hope everyone is interested to practice. The next 3 months is very very important. Okay, same time slot, Saturday, Sunday. Ramesh is same trainer is going to uh, explain, start with SQL, MySQL, and MongoDB, and total database side. Okay, um, so complete. It will take around 2 months or 3 months, because um, everything is included, like suppose coding challenges or small projects, review sessions, and mock interviews. Okay, everything will happen in these 3 months. At the same time, same 6 p.m. to 7 p.m., we are going to start with the JavaScript. Okay, already by this time you already learned C language, so it doesn't take too much time to learn JavaScript, because in C language we are going to learn operators and the for loops and switch conditions, many all the basics and fundamental things. So here you're going to learn very quickly. We can enter into the JavaScript advanced concepts directly. Maybe initially we will explain each and every topic quickly, and then quickly jump into the actual core JavaScript, um, the topics. So that, yeah, then it will take 3 months only to learn JavaScript, because already see you're good in C language. So this is also going to provide, like this is also taken care by Akshay Mane. And at the same time practice sessions will continue, and for practice session Varun Agarwal is available. At the same time, even few other trainers also will join for you to help, because we have 112 students. It's not that much easy to um, the handle by one person to all the students. So we will provide few 3 or 4 other trainers. They will be available based on their availability. Okay, but yeah, but sure, we will help everyone. So at the same time, for this period also, for these 3 months also, we don't have any session on Friday. Okay, so this is the plan for the first 5 months. Okay, after 5 months, we are going to enter into um, the advanced topics in JavaScript. Okay, that is React, because if you know, like Facebook and Instagram, Netflix, all these applications are built on React.js library. Okay, so yeah, Next.js is a framework on top of React. So yes, we are going to learn React and Next.js, and we are going to do our projects like Amazon. We are going to recreate Amazon clone. Already we have done, I think, 2 times, um, with a previous batch for previous batches. So now we are going to do with a full stack. That is because previously we were using Firebase for the backend side, but this time we are going to build the Amazon with full stack application, because in the server side we are going to learn Node.js, Express.js, and MongoDB and everything. So we are going to build a full stack application this time. So maximum I will be available for React and Next.js and Node.js, Express.js. Maybe I'm not sure if another trainer is available, so we can plan in that direction. But it's too late. It's too early since we have since we need to go through first 5 months. So by the time I will provide the exact plan who is available for this training and timings also. I will we can decide later after 5 months. Okay. So this is for like 8 months of training, right? First 2 months, the pure fundamentals. Next 3 months, actual core subject like JavaScript and backend SQL, MySQL, MongoDB, and at the same time, in the next 3 months, React, Next.js, and Node.js and Express.js. So these are the really important topics. So and after completing this 8 months of training, of course, in these 8 months, we will do a lot of assignments, coding challenges, and interview preparations, and everything. Um, on weekends whenever we are free, but actual preparation like for interviews, because in this process maybe weekly once we will focus on the interview preparation kind of thing or coding challenges and small projects. And of course in this last 3 months we are doing Amazon clone. But after these 3 months, okay, total 8 months will complete, right? And the next 4 months, like complete focus on interview preparation and innovation projects. So by the time, like if you are a BTech, if you are studying a BTech, okay, maximum this knowledge is more than enough to crack the interview technically in campus placements. So if you are good at one programming language, C language, if you are good at one programming language, maximum you can crack the interview in uh, as a fresher. Okay, of course we need to focus on aptitude and reasonings and communication skills, but right now we don't have a resources to train on those topics. But technically I'm saying okay, you can crack the technical interview, but of course it's only 2 months. And if you complete these things, JavaScript, SQL, and MySQL, MongoDB, and all these practice sessions after 5 months, because I'm saying even with the first 2 months of training, you can crack the interview in campus placements. And after 3 months of training, like total 5 months of training, it's going to be more valuable because your resume and your performance is going to be very um, strong. And even if you complete next 3 months of training like React, Next.js, Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB, and all these things, uh, you will you will get a better package also. You will get a job in good product-based companies also. So please learn all these things. Okay, don't stop learning, because actual learning is going to be start now itself for your career. Okay, this because next 80 years of your life is going to depend on what you are learning now. So y- take a right decision. If you're really not interested, uh, don't join, and at least choose your path properly, and you will succeed. Okay, so if you want to become a the full stack developer or a JavaScript full stack developer or a web developer, and then only join. Okay, so don't waste the time, because this is valuable time. BTech third year final year is going to be very important for your life and your career. So don't take wrong decisions and don't waste your time. If you join, you should do practice. Without practice, you can't learn anything actually. So of course, I will talk about all these things again later. So next 4 months, like total 1 year. Okay, first 8 months, we are going to complete all the fundamentals and projects and all those things. And next 4 months, definitely we are going to focus on interviews and innovation projects. These are very important. Why we are doing innovation projects means even sometimes for few students they don't have a campus placements in their colleges. Suppose once you come out of college, if you don't have an opportunity to attend the interview, okay, how to get a job? So for that also we are planning. So we are going to do some innovation projects. Based on that, you can you can create opportunities for you. And we will provide how to prepare the resume and how to deal with LinkedIn and all these things also. Okay. Okay, I hope you guys understood. Even if you have any question, just ping me in the comment so that maybe that question is that information is going to be useful for other students also. You can, if you have any question, just ping me in the comments, or even already, I think you're already as a part of WhatsApp group, so that at any point of time you can ping me in that WhatsApp group. I will reply on that. So, okay, fine. So you want to learn all these things and you're ready now. So what are the prerequisites to attend this training? The first thing, of course, you should have an interest, you should have a need to learn, you should have a clarity that okay, this is going to be very, very useful and important thing for your career. Okay, don't learn for me. So just learn for you, your success. Okay, so we are not going to do like a spoon feeding or some um, junior colleges kind of training. No, okay, completely your success is going to depend on you only. For up to 80 to 90%, your success depends on you only. So we don't ask you whether you are doing practice daily or not. If you don't practice, I'm not going to provide any kind of motivation sessions or something. Nothing. So if you're not, of course, we will do like three times. We will try to explain only three times. If you're not able to realize in that three times, we're not going to bother about you. So, and what are the prerequisites? You should have a computer because without having a computer, you can't do practice. So it's not that much easy. So if you at least if right now if you don't have a computer, join the sessions. But as soon as possible, please arrange your own computer. Okay, so otherwise you will lose a lot of information, and you should have a good internet facility because we are attending trainings through online. Okay, I will provide the meeting links and all the details um, in the WhatsApp for you, and daily 2 hours of time, because even if you're interested, if you don't have a time, there is no use, right? So plan properly. Normally people will say that due to um, suppose some family functions are there, my friend birthday party is there, like don't say those reasons. Okay, in 24 hours, 2 hours you should you have only 22 hours, so 2 hours is for learning for your 80 years of your life future. So just plan properly, otherwise we can't do anything. So you should have a computer and a good internet facility and daily 2 hours of time. Okay, if you're studying a graduation and 2 hours is enough, I'm saying if you're really sincerely learning, 2 hours is enough. Who completed the graduation, they should who do hard work for minimum 8 hours, 8 to 10 hours per day. So for those students who completed graduation, I will interact already have done an interaction with them, and I have given a exact plan what we are going to do. I will discuss with them on weekly basis, so I will take care of them. So this is like I'm saying, who are studying BTech first year, second year, third year, um, first, second, third. Okay, they should spend minimum daily 2 hours of hard work. Okay, final year students, you should find at least minimum 4 hours, and who completed the graduation, you should spend whole day. Okay, yeah, okay. I hope you guys are ready. And if you want to succeed, because programming language, like many students, I can say, if even I can say directly that out of 100 students, only maximum 30 to 40 students will complete the training. Okay, I know only 40% of students. If 40% students complete the training, that's a great thing actually, because it's very difficult to attend the sessions daily. It's very difficult to practice the things, and so first initially first 2 3 months they will join. After that, it's very difficult because our body and mind is on. Most of the students, they don't have a control on body and mind because of this entertainment world. So naturally, they're not able to complete the whole training. But I'm saying, please, because you are joining this session, this training means already you are very good, but continue it for throughout your life. I'm not saying for 8 months. because if you want to succeed in IT industry or any industry, you should learn daily. Because right now I'm working in IT industry for the last nine years. If I don't learn daily, and it's very difficult for me also survive in the IT industry, because every 6 months we will get new technologies, things will happen. If you are not learning, if you're not interested to learn, then we are out of the race. Okay, so at least still you're at the starting position. So if you're not interested to do a practice, at least for 1 hour 2 hours per day, then it's very difficult to succeed in IT industry, especially I'm saying. And whatever, because these three rules are very important. You should attend every session, and you should do practice on the same day. I'm saying same day. You should do practice on the same day. If you are not able to practice on the same day, you should not sleep actually. I'm saying, okay, without completing the practice, you should not go for a sleep. Then only you will succeed. Okay. Otherwise, if you keep on postponing, because if you learn properly, it will take 8 months. If you keep on postponing, maybe it will take 18 months or 80 months. I don't know. That's why if you want to succeed at right time, you should follow these things properly. So please plan your daily schedule and all the things properly, and then only you will succeed. Okay, I hope you guys are ready for that. The next, how to join the sessions. Okay, I will provide the meeting link through WhatsApp group. And one more thing, every session will be recorded and available in our YouTube channel. Okay, this YouTube channel SVGIE, and don't depend on recordings. Okay, please try to join the live sessions. Recordings for revisions, because if you didn't understand anything in the live session, it's better to go for a recording. Okay, there are advantages with recordings and huge disadvantages also with recordings. Because advantages, if you're a regular student, if you're attending the live sessions daily, by mistake, suppose due to health issues or due to examinations or any other thing, so if you're not able to attend the session, you can go and you can watch the recording and you can learn properly. This is a positive side. The negative side is, naturally, the students, what they will do, okay, if recordings are available, slowly they will stop attending the live sessions. Okay, that they don't join the live session, because they will think that, okay, already the recording is there, so that I will depend on recording. Slowly what will happen, if we keep on depending on the recordings, so naturally you will postpone, because okay, already recording is there. Okay, instead of doing practice today, okay, I will do two sessions tomorrow. Otherwise you can say that, okay, last 1 week we have a recording, so this 1 week I'm going for a trip, the next week I will complete the whole 1 week recordings. No, it will never happen. I'm saying, if you postpone for one day, and naturally the nature or the world or situations will postpone your success to 10 times faster. So if you postpone for one day, one session, that means if you want to get a job by BTech for final year, if you keep on postponing your um, learning practice, so naturally you don't get a job by end of final year. So it will postpone at least for 1 2 years. So that's your choice. Okay, but I'm going to provide the recordings, because it's because many students have examinations, and we have students from different universities, because for few students they have examinations in January, few students in February. So it's very difficult for us to plan for all the students in terms of examination schedule. So it's difficult. We can't complete the syllabus. That's why, yes, we are going to provide the recordings. Even if you miss something, it will be available. But there is a huge um, disadvantage is there. It means, naturally, if students starts depending on recordings completely, and if you start postponing, I'm saying 100% you are not going to complete the training. That is sure. So I'm just giving a warning. attend the live sessions. That is a high priority. Of course, one trainer is there, maybe maximum 50 to 60 students will join the live session. Sometimes it's not easy for you to interact with the trainer every day. No problem. That's why we are providing another trainer for you for practice sessions, and even for each and every 10 students, I'm going to provide one mentor for you, so that you can, if you have any questions, you can take help from that one also, that person also. So, but I will arrange these mentors and all those things after 1 month, because I need to check out of 112 students how many students are attending a training properly, who are interested to learn properly. So maybe we will get around 50 to 60 students after 1 month of training, definitely. So for 60 students, I will arrange 6 trainers for them. So if you are interested to learn, I'm ready to bring more trainers for you, more resources for you, and we can spend more time with you to help you in the right direction. If you're not interested, naturally, I'm not going to worry about you, because if we can help, we can try to help up to some extent. Okay, if student is not interested to learn and student is not interested to practice, we no need to worry about them. So maybe after 5 years or 2 years, whenever the student realize the importance of learning, again definitely we will provide a free training also. So I hope you guys understood. If you're not interested, definitely I'm not going to um, bother about you. Of course, finally, all the best and get ready for the first session on February 4th, 6 a.m. Okay. Okay. If you have any questions, if you have any doubt, just revise this, watch this video again. So first 2 months, fundamentals, next 3 months, important things, and next 3 months, super important topics and projects. So it will take minimum 8 months, I'm saying. It will take minimum 8 months to learn all these things. And if you are spending only daily 2 hours, even it's not that much easy to digest the subject. Okay, but you are studying, if you are studying third year or second year or final year, okay, this is enough. But who completed the graduation, I'm saying you should be available for minimum daily 8 hours. Okay, I will suggest few YouTube channels, tutorials, and we will provide some separate slot for you to provide another kind of training, another subjects also. So at least by 8 months, you should do a minimum 3 or 4 projects actually for who complete the graduation. Okay, that we will discuss again after 1 month. So first 1 month, fundamental things. I need to check how much interested you are, because it's completely free training. That's why I know naturally we'll get more responses. But how many students are actually really interested, it will be decided after 1 month. So after 1 month, I will get all the information about you, how many sessions you are joining, how much sessions you are doing practice. Okay, based on that, we will get the clarity. Okay, and thank you, and see you on February 4th. Okay, and I will introduce Ramesh to you all, and that our training is going to start. So at any point of time, if you are facing any issue, or if you are facing any problem technically, or if you're not able to understand any concept, please just ping me in the WhatsApp. But definitely, as soon as possible, we will try to fix that problem. Okay, and you should interact with us. If suppose if you didn't understand some concept, and if you're not able to convey that information to us, it's very difficult for us to understand, because this is not a classroom training. We can't see your faces, we don't know whether you are listening or not. So this online training, we have some negatives also. That's why the students need to be very interactive, otherwise we can't help you. So right, okay, we have some limitations. So but definitely we will help each and every student, okay, to succeed. Okay, thank you, and once again, welcome to SVGIE 2023 batch, and hope this is going to be successful. Okay, bye bye.